Okay, welcome back to the channel. We're going to get right into it here today. We are using a 6-foot toilet auger. We had a couple issues that the customers were having. We are going to get into those, explain, and give some tips to diagnose the problem that they were having. So this might help you. So the toilet was having periodic problems. It worked fine as long as you were not using toilet paper. So that's why we used the 6-foot auger at first to see if there was anything that might have been stuck in the drain of the toilet. We snaked it a few times, tested with toilet paper, and we kept having the same problem. As you can see, we are testing it right here, seeing if it's going to drain properly. And it wasn't. So started taking the toilet off. Hey, boy. This was Bring Your Kids to Work Day as well, so you're welcome. Hey! Okay. Taking that off. So it's on me, so you don't have to do nothing. Enjoy.
Beware.
Okay, let's follow on. Tiny head. So I just went outside to grab the actual snake. It's a 75-foot snake. I edited that out so you didn't have to watch it. What do you say? Okay, I'm just resetting the toilet now. We found that there was a clog in the line, but we didn't see anything in the toilet, but we're just double checking now to make sure that there isn't an issue with the toilet as well. Okay, I'm just waiting for the water to fill back up now so I can retest it. Help me! Grab some toilet paper. Boom. Okay, so long story short, we were still having issues with the toilet. I just checked the drain on the sink to see if that was draining properly, and it was. So we had an issue with the toilet as well. So we went and bought a new toilet. She was wanting a new one anyway. And we are just putting it together. Fairly self-explanatory. Hope that was helpful. Check out some more of our videos.